I bet. So over here we have this array, two chains projects, and then it just has a couple objects. These objects have the project name and the number of tracks in that project. And so what we want to do is convert this array into an object where the keys would be the name of the project and the value for each of those would be the track count. So there's a few ways to do this. We'll be using the array method reduce to do this. So I'm going to walk you guys through it. And so let's set a variable. We'll call it two chains project track counts, I guess. Why not? So what we're going to do is we're going to go over the projects array and we're going to do a reduce on it. And so reduce takes a callback, and this callback takes two arguments. It takes the previous value. A lot of people call it the accumulator. I like to think of it as a result, so we'll call it result, and then we'll call it the item. And actually, I'm going to bring this down to another line just to make it easier to read. So also another argument that the reduce function takes is the value that you would initialize the result with. So you could think of that as the starting state of the result. And in this case, we want it to be an object. So what we want to do here is we want to set our result, and we want the key to be the project name. So then it'll be the item, which is each object in the array, or it could be anything, but in this case it is an object. And then we want to take the project, and we want to set that to be the item's track value. So it would just be item.tracks. And then we want to return the result. So return res. So if I haven't messed this up, this should work. And as always, let's console log this out to make sure it works. I'll just copy this. And let's paste this in our console. Boom, that shit works.